Welcome to demo video number 2. This is part 3, and hopefully we can conclude the rest of the examples in this video. So it looks like we're on number 3. Daniel Higgs. His filing status is married, filing jointly, and he earned gross pay of $3,670. Each period he makes a 401k contribution of 12% of gross pay and contributes $200 to an independent flexible spending account. His current year taxable earnings for Social Security tax and Medicare tax to date are $123,300. Okay. So with the information given, okay, it looks like his to-date earnings is $123,300. That is clearly over our cap of $117,000. So his tax is going to be $0 here. Okay, so his limit of $117,000 is reached for Daniel Higgs. For his Medicare, the calculation would be basically taking his $3,670 of gross pay, subtract the $200 that he contributes to an independent care account. Okay, so his total taxable earnings would be $3,470. That's taxable under Medicare, and that is his total Medicare tax of $50.32 for Daniel Higgs. So that one was pretty straightforward. Okay, so that's that. For number 4, Bruce Miller. All right, so for his Social Security tax, Bruce Miller's filing status is married, filing separately, and he earned gross pay of $3,200. Each period he makes a 403B contribution of 10% of gross pay and contributes $100 to a cafeteria plan. His current year taxable earnings for Social Security tax and Medicare tax are $115,900. Okay, so for that specific amount, $115,900 to date, he has not yet met the $117,000 cap for Social Security, or also known as OASDI. So due to that fact, what we're going to do is take his total earnings, okay, which is $3,200, and we're going to go ahead and take the difference of what he had earned so far from the 117 to see how much more he needs to contribute. Okay, I'm going to go ahead and do the formula first to find out the amount before I go ahead and calculate it. Okay. All right, so far for Bruce Miller, he will still be taxed on $1,100 under Social Security. Okay. Oops. So I'm going to go ahead and take 1,100 times the 6.2%. So his total OASDI, or Social Security tax, would be $68.20. Medicare tax. Okay, so let's go ahead and remember there is no real cap for Medicare besides the threshold where additional tax is levied. But because for Mr. Bruce Willis, oh, excuse me, Bruce Miller, Bruce Willis, that's too funny. Anyway, that's your last, that's a laugh for this one. Anyway, so for $115 and $115,900 has not met any of these thresholds. So he will be taxed under the 1.45%, taking into consideration the $100 in cafeteria plan that he contributes to each period. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to take his gross earnings, which is $3,200, minus the $100 for the cafeteria plan. I can spell, let's see here, okay. I'm going to multiply that by the 0.0145% to get a Medicare tax of $44.95. So that's that one for Bruce Miller. Okay. So that concludes our demo video number 2, which is the third part. I'll see you in the next video.